Look at the circle rolling down the hill, perfectly round with a spinning thrill. No corners, no sides, just one big loop, like a donut, a coin, or a hula hoop. March in place with a square so proud. Four same sides, say it nice and loud. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners sharp and neat, like a window, a box, or a comfy seat.
Here comes triangle, pointy and cool. 3 sides sharp like a wizard's tool. A slice of pizza, a sail on a boat. It's the shape that loves to float.
Long and strong, it's a rectangle's day. 2 sides short and to go all the way, like a door, a book, or a chocolate bar. It stretches out both near and far.
Ovals dancing wide and round, like an egg that rolls on the ground. Not quite circle, not quite square, it's got a wobble with flair to spare.
Twinkle, sparkle, the stars in sight. 5 bright points lighting up the night. You see it in the sky or a wizard's wand. It shines with magic and goes beyond.
Now here's the heart with a lovely beat. 2 curves on top and a point so sweet. It's the shape of love and caring too, found in hugs and cards we give to you.